Hello everyone, my name is Natalie Hadland and I'm here with a helpful tip about how you can use virtual backgrounds in YuJa. Now I know virtual backgrounds is one of the features most of us are familiar with through Zoom, and it's really popular. It's a really great way to protect your privacy and maybe hide the space you're in. So right now I'm in Zoom. As you can see, my room's a little messy. Maybe not something I'd want shown if I were recording lecture videos or recording some important information I'd want to share with my class. And that's why we all really like virtual backgrounds, to hide our surroundings. But did you know this feature is also available in YuJa? You can record your videos directly in YuJa and use the virtual background feature, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's get started. So I'm going to go into my uci.yuja.com account, and I'm going to create a recording like I normally would. So I'm going to hit Create Recording, and it's going to open the YuJa Software Capture Station. And as you can see, I've got my webcam on, that's my video feed, and I've got my screen recording turned on because I'm going to have a PowerPoint presentation. So now I'm just going to start my recording and begin sharing my presentation. So when we're using virtual backgrounds in YuJa, we're not actually using the virtual background while we're recording. We're just going to record a video like we normally would with our room behind us, but instead we're going to put the virtual background in the post-production process. So let's finish this video and I'll show you how to do that. So let's save my video. So we'll give that a couple minutes to process and then appear in my YuJa Manage Media folder. Great, so as you can see, the video we just recorded is right here. And if I hover over it, I get my little menu and I'm going to click Edit to open the YuJa Video Editor. So that's going to open in a new tab or a new window. And as you can see, here's everything we recorded. We have our audio track, we have our screen recording of the PowerPoint presentation, and then we have the webcam track. So what I want to do now is apply a virtual background to my webcam track. And how I'm going to do that is by clicking this button right here, the one that looks like a little landscape, and that says Image Tools when I hover over it. If I click Image Tools, you'll see there's an option to Add Virtual Background. I'm going to select a file, and I'm going to select this nice kind of tree leafy image I have saved to my desktop. So we're going to let that process. And now it's going to ask which stream I want to apply it to. I want to apply it to my webcam stream, so let me highlight that and click Apply. Now as you can see, it's given us a preview of what our new video stream is going to look like. And I think that looks really nice. It hides my background really well. So I'm happy. I'm going to click Close. And now you won't see the virtual background applied in the video editor. If I scrub through my video and if I play it a little bit, you still just see my regular background. The virtual background is going to be applied when I save it as a new video. So I'm going to click Save. Maybe I'm going to change the title of this to Virtual Background. And now I can either replace the existing video or save it as a new video. I'm going to save it as a new video. And now that new video is going to upload and populate in my Manage Media folder. So let's give that a minute to process and then we'll see how it looks. Great, it looks like my new video is finished processing, so let's take a look. So this looks great. I really like how the virtual background came out, and I still have the cool functionality of YuJa where I can choose which screen I want to be my primary, either my webcam or the slides. So I'm happy with the way this turned out, and it took next to no time to add that virtual background directly in the YuJa Video Editor. I didn't need to download any files, I didn't need to upload anything new to YuJa, I could do it all directly through my uci.yuja.com account. Well, I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and one of the things I really like about virtual backgrounds in YuJa is that you're adding them after the fact. So you can take a video you already recorded without a virtual background and add one in. You can also change the background to a video multiple times. So maybe you're teaching a class in winter quarter and you added a snowy winter background for an introduction or a weekly overview video, but then you're teaching it again in spring and you want to use the same video. You can go back into YuJa and change that background now to maybe a sunny field of flowers or something that feels a little more like spring. So I hope you find this easy and have a lot of fun adding virtual backgrounds to your YuJa videos.